Have you ever seen a cheese biryani like this? A fully loaded cheese biryani that's rich, cheesy and packed with flavor. Let's see how I made it. First, let's prepare the rice. Soak 160 g of rice. Then drain it and set it aside. Heat some ghee in a pot and saute the sliced onions until fragrant. Move to add the soaked rice and saute it well for a couple of minutes. Next, pour in a mixture of 200 ml water and 200 ml milk. Cook over medium heat until the rice is almost done. Add 5 g of grated cheddar cheese and mix gently. Let's prepare the biryani gravy. Heat some ghee in a pan and saute 120 grams of sliced onions until golden. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add 3 g spice powder, 3 g salt and 3 g chili powder. Mix well and saute until aromatic. Now add 100 ml of sliced tomatoes and cook until they become soft. Stir in 5 g each of fresh coriander and mint leaves, followed by 40 ml of cream. Mix everything well, remove half of the gravy and keep it aside. To the remaining gravy, add the diced smoked turkey ham to give the biryani a delicious protein boost. Now it's time to assemble the biryani. Grease a ring mold and the baking paper with a little ghee. You spread a layer of the plain biryani gravy at the bottom. Next add a layer of the prepared rice and spread it evenly. And next add the turkey gravy mixture. Sprinkle 5 g of grated cheddar, cheese and 80 g of mozzarella cheese over the top. Cover with another layer of rice and spread it evenly. Finally, pour the remaining plain gravy over the rice to keep it moist during baking. Top it with 60 g of mozzarella cheese. Bake at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Or until the cheese is melted and beautifully golden. And then it's ready as the fully loaded cheese biryani. Creamy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Give this recipe a try and enjoy cooking. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,